beautiful. Hi guys, so welcome back to our channel and today's video is a bit early. I know abhi just Sunday vlog gaya and दूसरा vlog bhi aa gaya because I thought of sharing this very special day with you guys. It's my sister's birthday and I thought of vlogging today because I love sharing our life with you guys, and today is such a special day और lockdown है, बाहर जा नहीं सकते, we cannot really go out and celebrate, so सब घर पे ही करना है. So I have planned बाहर से खाना मंगाएंगे and I am also decorating for her birthday and there's obviously no chance कि बाहर हम लोग celebrate कर सकते हैं and we can gather, you know, her friends. The situation is like that, but I want to celebrate her birthday at home and want to make her feel special today. And I thought, why not vlog this and keep this as a memory? And no matter how older you get, your younger sibling will always remain the baby for you. Welcome back to our channel. And if in case you guys are new here and watching me for the first time, I'm Swasti Semwal and I create vlogs and create content on beauty, fashion and skincare. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because that will make me keep going. And so today is my mom's vaccination appointment, so my sister and mom left for the hospital appointment and I'm alone at home. I think this is probably a right time to start the decoration, so I'm doing decoration and I'll also show you what all have got and what I'm actually up to right now. So keep watching the video, and also if you guys have been watching my vlogs and videos and you find them really fun and entertaining, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, keep watching the video. So violet is her favorite color, so keeping that in mind, I'm doing the decoration. And also the cake that I've ordered specially for her birthday today is also of the same color, and I'm sure she's gonna love it. Having some coffee meanwhile, and I love this mug. I got it as a gift and it's written I'm Pahadi. I just love customized cup. I love how the Pahadi topi is being highlighted in this. I absolutely love it. So I'll also show you guys balloons and thing I've got for the decoration. And वही मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं कौन से साइड डेकोरेशन करूँ. I think I'm going to use this side for the decoration because since there's a good light, so that she will get good pictures. आज ये सारे balloons deliver हुए हैं and I wasn't expecting it. अगर आज नहीं deliver होते तो इनका कोई मतलब नहीं होता. So I've kept all the balloons here. And these are all purple and white gray balloons. I got them from Amazon and this is our balloon blowing machine. ये भी Amazon से लिए है and you guys can also check. This is really helpful and I'll also show you how to use this. So you need to put this here so that the air will fill and you have to hold the bottom. So this works with electricity, so you have to connect this and then you can probably do it. So you need to switch it on. This is how it works. So I'm almost done. All thanks to the blowing machine, my job has been so much lighter. This machine is a rescue, guys, and I'll show you. And these are the remaining ones. तो अभी ये इतने मुझे करने हैं और एंड फिलहाल अभी इतने हुए हैं. मैंने अभी 15-10 मिनट्स के अंदर ऑलमोस्ट सारे बलून्स ब्लो कर दिए. मैंने नहीं, आई मीन मशीन ने. एंड इट्स सो इजी एंड सो क्विक है. जैसे मेरे पास तो काफ़ी टाइम है अभी, बट अगर लिमिटेड टाइम है और कम टाइम पे करना है तो ये सब चीज़ें बहुत काम आती है. एंड आई थिंक ये हर घर में होना चाहिए बिकॉज बर्थडेज तो सभी के आते हैं फैमिली में. एंड दिस इज सच अ कूल प्रोडक्ट. एंड नाउ सेकेंड थिंग, अभी खाना भी आज बाहर से ही मंगाने वाले हैं. नोबडी इज गोना कुक. आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट गोइंग टू कुक टुडे. आई विल ऑल्सो शो यू गाइज हम लोग क्या ऑर्डर करने वाले हैं फूड. एंड दिस इज नथिंग मोर स्पेशल क्योंकि अभी सब कुछ घर पे ही करना है. वी कांट गो आउट, सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग. या सो आई टेक यू गाइज थ्रू द डे एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द entire day vlog. Okay, just not the birthday but the entire day vlog, what I'm up to the entire day. So abhi Sky ka bhi khane ka time ho gaya. He's just waiting and just staring at me, so I'll quickly feed him and continue the vlog. So Sky wants food and Sky, we're gonna eat food. कहाँ भाग रहा है बेटा? हूँ, मैं थोड़ा डेकोरेशन कर रही थी ना, तो इसलिए मैं नहीं आ पाई. थैंक यू. So cake arrived at the right time finally. I'm not gonna show you guys now, later. So now I'm going to pick the food. It just arrived, अभी आया है, तो मुझे नीचे जाना पड़ेगा pick करने के लिए. And I go home. I'm almost done with the decoration. I'm so tired, guys. सच में बहुत tiring हो गया. Thank you. There's one more food which will arrive in half an hour, so there's time left. हर एक डिलीवरी के लिए नीचे जाना पड़ रहा है. Happy birthday to my gorgeous sister.
Thank you. This is so pretty.
Love the cake?
I don't even feel like eating it because it's so pretty.
Not more than you, but you're looking so gorgeous.
Thank you.
Love the dress.
Thank you.
Show the dress to everyone. So gorgeous. So beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Look at the cake. Oh, wait a second. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to. Make a wish. Happy birthday to you. May God bless
Thank you
you.
so much.
May God you. May God bless you, Sonu. Happy birthday to you.
You want more, Sky? Thank you so much. It's really yummy.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. मैं बड़ी लग रही हूँ ना बहुत.
दोनों मेरी माँ लग रही है.
So we have ordered a dum biryani and इसको serve करते हैं. I'm so much in love with the decor, guys. Just let me know if you guys like it too. I'm wearing a purple dress. That's her favorite color.
Thank you so much for this beautiful decor. Happy birthday to you, जी. केक शेक है तो फिर खिलाओ जी.
ऐसे तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे.
हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी. Happy birthday to you, Haji.
So thank you so much for watching the vlog, and I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. And if you guys have been watching my vlog and haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys next time in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye.